In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create landing pages in Brevo. This process helps you design clean, customizable landing pages that engage visitors and collect valuable information. Let's get started. Begin by opening Brevo and going to the Marketing section. From there, select the option to create a landing page. You'll see a collection of templates that you can use as a starting point. Browse through them and choose one that fits your goal, then click Get Started to open it in the editor. Next, you'll customize your landing page. Start by naming the page so it's easy to recognize later. Adjust the settings to match your brand by changing colors, fonts, and adding your logo. Once you're happy with the basic setup, save your changes and move on to arranging the layout. Now focus on organizing the sections of your page. Place content in a logical order so visitors can easily follow along. A clean, well-structured layout keeps people engaged and improves the overall experience. After that, manage your form fields. Choose where contacts will be stored and add the fields you want to collect, such as name and email address. Link the form to the correct contact list so new signups are saved properly. Before publishing, preview your landing page. Check how it looks on both desktop and mobile to make sure everything displays correctly. Make any final adjustments if needed. Once everything looks good, publish your landing page. You can use it with a custom domain or connect it to your existing website, depending on your needs. That's it. You've successfully created a landing page in Brevo. Thanks for watching and good luck with your marketing campaigns.